What's up, man? How are you, brother?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing good. Say what's up, man.
What's up, dog? What's up?
You know what I'm saying? The gang in the house. Let's do it, bro.
Bro, I love you, man. I love
Appreciate
you.
it, man.
I've been following you since day one.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
16, bro.
I appreciate it, man. Look,
21 now. That's crazy.
my man said he's been watching me since he was 16. He's 21 now. He started his own YouTube channel. Plug in your YouTube channel, bro.
My YouTube channel is KingJMeals, Instagram KingJMeak.
King J, spell him out. The KingJMeals. Spell that out.
K-I-N-G.
I spelled my own channel wrong. As I was so nervous, but no, yeah. Met JL. Pretty cool. So originally I was gonna do an homage to the first JL Jupiter video I ever saw, which was him getting beef sticks and chicken stick, Cambodian barbecue on 7th Street, near 7th Street. But as you can see, it's pretty damp outside. So we're just gonna go get some Cambodian food in honor of us. Guys, also my door doesn't work, so I gotta roll the window down, stick my arm out. Look at that. Oh, yeah. If anyone knows how to fix that, let me know. How's it? Yeah, we out here on the corner of 6th and Moore in South Philly. And I'm about to show you guys Yummiee's Cafe, which is one of my go-to spots for Cambo food.
All right, y'all, it's my man right here.
Yup, Eric.
Shoutout.
Yeah, we at Yummiee's Cafe, and stop by. We on 6th and Moore in the heart of South Philly.
Yeah, get this man some business,
Yes,
man. We
sir.
love this place.
Yep.
We're gonna get this place jumping. Yeah, little gambling ring back here.
Yo, I left my tripod at home, so like I'm using this opposite eye stand. Hopefully I don't get cursed or anything. But it's working.
The appetizers, salads, rice combo. They drinks. They do boba here. But look, this is what I like. I love pictures, guys. I love pictures. Ooh.
Just let me know when you're ready.
I think I'm ready.
Okay.
I'll do the shrimp roll.
Shrimp roll?
Yeah. The lemongrass chicken patty.
Lemongrass chicken patty.
Papaya salad with beef sticks.
Papaya salad.
Yeah,
Spicy.
Spicy.
Gotcha.
And then I'll do the bun chow.
Gotcha.
And shrimp and beef with that.
Shrimp.
And then I'll do the Thai tea soup, or the fat, Thai tea fat.
Thai tea fry.
And then do you have the raspberry tea sauce salad?
Yep.
I'll check one of those. One bit.
Okay. Gotcha.
Thank you.
Yep, appreciate it.
It's like 60 in May right now in Philly, but and it's raining, so it's a little chilly outside. But you know, I gotta take the video. You gotta grub. I don't know. I felt rude using their decoration, so we're using a water bottle, and we'll see if it works. We got some first dishes now. Shrimp rolls. I need a bigger table. We got the Brahat Saikmon, which is the lemongrass chicken patties. I'm bringing everything out at once to make it good and nice and pretty for you guys. I'm so excited. I love food. Thank you. Alright. Damn. Got the beef and shrimp with black. Got the bang chow. Oh, wow. Guys, I'm big, but I ain't this big. This is all not gonna get you. The chopsticks. Cambodian, bro. Hands and these. I think they have one more thing coming.
She said she wanted you to put this on the video. It's pretty. It's mango. It's shrimp mango salad.
Shrimp mango salad with the papaya, or just that's the mango.
Yeah, that's the mango one. You still getting the papaya, but she wants you to try this too.
Okay. Yeah. I had this the first time I was here, I think.
Oh, can't.
All right, guys. Chef's request. Have the shrimp mango salad in here as well. I didn't order this, but they want you guys to know this is probably one of the best joints right here. Guys, I just had to change my camera battery, but yo, they brought out another dish for me to try for you guys.
These are 2 dishes she give to you.
All right.
And then here's a papaya.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. Let's. This is the spread we got here. We got shrimp rolls. Brahat Saikmon, which is lemongrass chicken patties. Bang chow, which is like a Cambodian crepe. Beef and shrimp no lap, which is shrimp and beef stir fry. We got this mango shrimp salad, which was they wanted me to try here. And then also we got a vermicelli shrimp noodle papaya salad, and then we got normal papaya salad with beef sticks. And I know I'm big, but I ain't that big, so I don't think I'm gonna finish all this food. Yummiee Cafe, 6 and more here in South Philly. It's a little bit away from Cambodian, like 7th Street and all the other Cambodian restaurants that I usually go to, but it's good. It's good here. Definitely like one of my favorites now. But no, yeah, let's start off with the appetizers. We got shrimp rolls. Growing up, these spot always. So simple. It's just seasoned shrimp rolled in an egg wrap, but it's so good. Crunch is gone because we're sitting for a little bit, but it's still good. And then we have the Brahat beef, not Brahat beef, Brahat Saikmon. It's like pounded brown chicken with the kriam. It's like lemongrass, garlic, galangal, turmeric powder, pickled slaw. Kriam is such a has a distinct taste. It's like, it's hard to describe. It's either you hate it or you love it, I think. Most people I know love it. That's good. Oh well. I'm gonna go for one of these dishes that they wanted me to try because I'm a little excited. We have this shrimp mango salad. Oh, I just spilled all. I feel so bad. We got the dried shrimp, the green mango. Gonna get some leaves in there. Oh. Oh yeah, sweet, funky, refreshing, all the above. It's kind of like papaya salad, just a little less crunchy. And I would say it's a little more on the refreshing side. But this is the OG papaya salad. The beef sticks. You know? I showcased papaya salad on my Sophie's Kitchen video. If you guys didn't know, that's another Cambodian spot that I go to here in Philly. But let's see how their papaya salad stands up. Oh, that's Pocahontas right there. That is Pocahontas. Nothing like this combo right here. Beef stick. Nice out. Some rice. You know, I'll clean my hand, guys. Don't worry. That's how Cambodians eat, man. We get down and dirty. If it's stuff like this, we do have noodle dishes and stuff, but alright, this other dish they made for me. It's like papaya salad mixed with vermicelli noodles, also with shrimp. This is how my mom likes to eat her papaya salad. I was never a big fan of the noodles in there as well, but hey, they made it for me. I'm gonna try it out. Okay. Oh wow. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I think meat is just like a substitute for the rice instead. But I'm not mad at that. That goes down easy. Ooh, the spice. I asked for extra spicy on everything because that's how we do it around here, man. We don't play. I'm not being biased or anything, but it's my food. My food got top one for me, but in general, top 3 for all of you. Has to be. That's how confident I am. Alright. This is something they do different here. This is beef and shrimp lok lak. Usually it's just beef lok lak. They added shrimp. Never done that before, but it makes sense. It makes sense. Let's try it out. So you get this pepper lime sauce. Take a piece of that. Actually, here. I just talked about using my hands. We use my hands, guys. Take the lettuce. Some beef. Get a spoon. All over that. Got some onion too. I love onion, guys. And you just nothing like that. I was telling my guy Eric, the guy who's up front here, I come here because it tastes like home. It tastes good because I don't live with my mom no more, so I really can't get her food like that often. But I can always just come here. It's a cozy little spot, comfortable. I feel safe here, you know? No, I feel like I'm at home, you know? It's good. It's good food. Good. It is affordable too. I think. I don't know. I'll tell you how much all this cost me at the end. They got boba too. If you guys, you know, boba indulgers. Okay. The main event. This is what I came here for today. I was in the mood for some bánh chao. Bánh chao. Ooh, I just spit. I'm sorry. Bánh chao. Bánh chao is a Cambodian crepe. My grandma loves making bánh chao. She always cook it and be like, in Khmer, chao ơi, chao, mau tép, mau si, yay thơ bánh chao, xin bánh chao ơi. I was like, huh? And I can't say no. I can't say no. It's my first time having it here. Try it out. Lettuce. Have some of that. It's a Cambodian crepe basically filled with ground pork, onions, bean sprouts, and you wrap it in a lettuce wrap, and cucumber if you guys like cucumber. And you have this, which is duck crepe I'm. It's fish sauce, sugar, peanuts, peppers. Such a good combo. This bite right here. Heaven. Wow. Come here, guys. Come to Yummiee Cafe. Hands down. Best in the city. I will say. Don't come at me. I said it about a lot of places, but listen, if everywhere's the best, then there's always gonna be a spot for everyone. I'm good, bro. Thank you. I'm definitely gonna need some boxes.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I got you.
This is good.
That's the yes, I love that. The pie salad
with the
and shrimp.
Number chuck noodles.
Yep, I love it. We're gonna.
I've never seen a restaurant do it.
Yeah, so that's gonna be part of our special one of these.
Okay, that makes sense. This guy's right here, the pie salad with the noodles. And you get some fat shrimp too. Anyways, I'm gonna take it. That was Yummiee Cafe. 6 and more. You guys better check them out because they're good people in there, man. Good people, good food, good vibes. I got food for the next month probably. I did not eat everything. I did get a matcha frap too. Let's try. Oh, they do good drinks too, guys. I didn't get their boba, but I can't imagine it's bad. But no, yeah. Shout out to Yummiee Cafe. Shout out to Eric in there, his mom. They're good people. And shout out to JL Jupiter. Thank you, my goat. You saved. I'm just kidding. Thank you. I appreciate you, though, bro. You guys, food is love. Food is life. You guys stick around. We'll be alright. Alright?